You can see on this filter that I just changed, you guys, and this is a few months old, that it's built up a lot of residue and it's captured a lot of garbage. Now, I prefer distillation, you guys, but distillation is just not something that's feasible if you have a family, unless you have a very large distiller. So I do use a distiller, but I also use a water filter, and this is a countertop filter, you guys. This is the cartridge from one that we have here on the sink in the Virginia house, and you can see that over time it's built up a lot of residues, a lot of junk, and even on the bottom. So I just want to stress really quickly the importance of water filtration. If you guys are not filtering this junk out of your water, and this thing was white when I got it, if you're not filtering this out of your water, then your body becomes the filter. Remember, you guys, if you don't filter your water, you become the filter. So I've got a new cartridge here that I'm going to install, but you can just see all of the residue and all the junk built up. This stuff gets stuck in your tissues, lodged in your kidneys, you name it. The stuff in water, you guys, are dissolved solids, and you can also, bear with me one moment, you guys, you can check your tap water and how much junk is actually floating around in it with a TDS meter. This is a total dissolved solids meter, and you turn it on and you put the diodes in water, and it tells you how much junk is actually floating around in the water. Now, obviously, this is not going to tell you exactly which particulates and which constituents are in the water. It's not going to tell you how much fluoride and all that. It's just going to tell you the amount of total dissolved solids. But with a water distiller, you guys, it should read 0 parts per million. Or sometimes, you know, depending on how dirty your tap water is, it'll read like a little above 0 parts per million, but it's always relatively low. But with filtered water, it's always a little bit higher, you guys. Filters just cannot take all the junk out of the water. But make sure to at least drink filtered water so that you're not absorbing all the chlorine, chloramine compounds, disinfectant byproducts, scaling lime, algicides, cobalts, radioactive constituents. There's just so much junk in the water. Go beneath this video to the description box and click the EWG Environmental Working Group link. Go to the water tab and type in your city's water supply, your area code, and take a look at how much junk is in your tap water. There are so many excessive contamination violations every year in each state with the water. Water is a huge game changer, you guys. If you are not drinking clean water, then you need to start. And on top of that, you really need to start bathing in clean water with a shower filter. Get yourself a whole house filter. Just start today. Don't wait. Peace be with you.